Can I apply for a Social Security card online? Yes, you can apply for a Social Security card online, but it depends on your situation and location. If you are in the United States, you can apply for a replacement Social Security card online, but not your first one, if you meet all the following conditions. You must be a U.S. citizen aged 18 or older. You must have a U.S. mailing address, not a P.O. box. You must possess a driver's license or state-issued ID from one of the participating states. You can only request a replacement card, not make changes to your name or other personal details. To apply, you'll need to create or sign in to your My Social Security account on the official SSA website, https://www.ssa.gov/myaccount. If this is your first Social Security card, you cannot complete the process entirely online. You'll have to fill out Form SS5, available on ssa.gov. You'll need to provide documents proving your identity, age, and citizenship or immigration status. You must then mail or bring the completed application and original documents to your local Social Security office. If you are living outside the United States, you cannot apply online. Instead, you must contact the nearest U.S. Embassy or consulate. These locations provide Social Security services through a Federal Benefits Unit (FBU). Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.